Hello everyone, my name is Armando and welcome back to my channel. What are we going to see or learn today? Well, we are going to see the elimination method in 2 by 2 equations. But what is a 2 by 2 equation, you will ask? Well, it's very simple. A 2 by 2 equation is a problem that has two variables and two equations. And it has at least three ways to solve it: graphic, substitution, and elimination method. We're going to use the elimination one, but how can we use the elimination method in our daily life? Well, it's really simple. It's like um let me yes, we'll go for some water.
Unos momentos después.
We use the elimination method for drugs. Now, to do these exercises and explain, let's go to our whiteboard. Oh no, that's not what I meant. Yeah, just wait me a second. Oh, God damn it. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, what are we going to do first is identify the equations. Is 2m plus 3n equals to 20 and m minus 2n equals to 3. What are we going to do first? Well, we need to do an multiplication. A multiplication, it's really simple. We multiply this equation by 3, this 3, and 2 in this equation because of these 2. 3 and 2. And it gives us the result like this: 4m plus 6n equals to 40 and 3m minus 6n equals to 9. So what are we going to do with this 6? Well, we're going to discard them because plus 6 and minus 6 equals to 0. And we make the addition in this side. So 4 plus 3 equals to 7m. And 40 plus 9, 49. So we discard this. And now we have this equation with just one variable, and we can do it like this. 7m equals to 49. So m equals, well, we need to divide 49 by 7. And the result is really simple: 7. Well, we substitute this m, and now the result is 7, just like that. But what about the n? We need to get the result of n, right? Because if not, it's incorrect. So let me check like this. Now, to get the n, it's really simple. We use the second equation. I will say like the last equation, but you can call it whatever you want. So we pass it like this. What changed? Well, the value of m. Why? Because now that we have it, it converts to a constant. And what do we do with the constant? Well, we pass it. So simple, through this little wall. But it is an addition, and now we pass it as a subtraction. It converts like evil. So now we have minus 2n equals by minus 4, because 3 minus 7, sorry, this is not a 4, this is a 7, it's minus 4. And now we use the division, that is minus 4, and, well, divided by minus 2. And remember to the sign that if minus and minus equals to plus. So now n is 2. Really simple, really easy. Now we have the value of m and n, that is 7 and 2. Really simple. Now, a real life problem, it could be something like this. In Walmart, there's a bundle of video games. You can have 2 Nintendo Switch games and 3 PlayStation 4 games for $77. Or you can get 3 Nintendo games and 2 PlayStation games for $98. How much a Nintendo and PlayStation game cost? It's really simple. First, we will we identify and make the problem. That here is our two equation. That is a 2 by 2. That is 2 Nintendo, 3 PlayStation, 77, 3 Nintendo, 2 PlayStation, $98. So we multiply this like has a negative because we don't have a negative in this part. So we do it like 3, that is this is the 3, and the 2, that this is the 2, but this is positive because we already have the negative right here. And it gives us the result like this: minus 6, minus 9, and minus 231. And now it gives us in the second equation 6, 4, and 196. What are we going to do? Well, discard because this is 6 and 6 negative, 6 positive, and this is 0. And now we need to do the subtraction. That is minus 5y. And now here, that is a long subtraction, but don't you worry, it's 35. Okay, now we have the problem here to do it because it's just one variable, that is y, the PlayStation game. So we do it so easy like this. Well, we need to divide 35 by 5. Minus 5, remember the signs, that is negative, negative, positive, right? So the PlayStation games cost $7. $7 cost a Nintendo PlayStation game in this bundle. If we want to get the X, that is a Nintendo Switch game, we do it just like I told you. Last equation, or the second equation. And now that we have the value, we have it like this: 3x plus, no, it's, yes, plus 2 by 7. Sorry, I thought it was negative. And 98. Well, this is 14. This is 14. And remember that it passes, but it's positive, so it passes like negative. And now we have it like this. Now, minus 14 equals to 88. 84, so sorry. 3x like 84. So sorry for my letter. I'm terrible writing in my mouse. But now we solve it. We have the opportunity to solve it, right? So we solve it like this: x equals by 84 and 3 divided by 3, and x equals to 28. So a Nintendo Switch game cost $28 and a PlayStation game $7. What a ganga.
Well, in my conclusions, what can I say? I think the elimination method is one of the easiest methods to do because it's really simple, not that short, but it's really simple to do it and not that problem. And I think there's like a possible idea that the 2 by 2 equations can be used in real life problems, in all real life problems, because I'm not God to check, oh yes, this and this is 2 by 2, yes. Not like that, but I think like a possible thing. That's all for today. Thank you so much for paying attention and listening my I stutter. So sorry about that. I really get so nervous on the camera and the recordings. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.